The lotus blooming in Kerala. This is just a beginning, and the fact of the matter is, we are already leading in 5 seats, and it is our belief and information from our Karyakartas that we will have further seats coming in. So that is just the beginning, and if things go well, the BJP will be not just one of the parties, but will be a leading party in Kerala.
Do you expect some more seats from as local party election?
Yes, my expectation is we might increase our number of seats and vote share, which will be, I think, remarkable since the LDF and UDF have been the primary players. Now this is going to be a replacement of these two entities. As it is, I think it's a neck-to-neck fight between UDF and LDF.
As of now, the surprising state is where BJP is leading in.
Yes, West Bengal is the place where we are in the reckoning. Assam, we are already there. So this is a good beginning and augurs well. And this is all because of Modi ji's priority of development across the country and this double engine system that's been working, and the promises that have been made and have been kept. That's important, and Modi ji has seen that it happens.
And what about Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu, at this point of time, there is DMK, AIDMK, and the Vijay factor. So we'll have to watch it very closely before analyzing Tamil Nadu, because the essential issue is the Dravidian movement. Now, how far the Dravidian movement is going to take roots and who is to be identified as the real Dravidian party is something that will be decided in this election.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.